Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and definitely well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. You say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 43 cents. Now don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 43, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 43, that would certainly be a good sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at more of this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 43 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, as of right now, public enemy number one going into Thursday, right there at 47 cents. Yeah, the price did technically get up there right around 48, but more price congestion and data points right around 47. So in my mind, that's kind of the truer level of resistance, if you will. However, at the end of the day, resistance levels really don't matter as long as the price starts to do a certain dynamic, which this one has. And what is that dynamic? Well, it's all about where the low's at. So as long as these lows keep getting higher and higher like they've been doing, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then yeah, as long as stair steps are being formed, then just give it enough time and everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on chipping away at the higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.